So we're gonna make stuffed jalapeno poppers with cream cheese and jalapenos, of course, and sausage. So you took the skin off of the sausage, right?
Right.
And then you cut it, like sliced it. Okay. All right, so we got one done. So he's just basically flattening it out. And we got a paper plate here with parchment paper on it. Kind of parchment paper. So it doesn't stick to anything. So then he puts the jalapeno on there. And you're just gonna roll it up. You just gotta work it.
Jumbo ones.
Alright, so we found that the sausage is not enough for one of those jalapenos. These are like jumbo jalapenos. So he's going to do 1.5 sausage to a jalapeno. And then he put parchment paper underneath the sausage so he could roll it up a little bit easier. And it doesn't fall apart. That looks better, huh?
Yeah, maybe.
Then he just pinches it closed. We're going to put these on the Traeger, right? Nice. We don't have any bacon, do we?
Yeah, I'm not wrapping on bacon.
No?
No. It'd be like wrapping bacon in bacon. Bacon wrap bacon.
No, wrap the last jalapeno in bacon.
Yeah, we could. What?
Wrap the bacon in bacon.
Yeah, bacon wrap bacon.
Bacon wrap bacon. Well, people do bacon anything and everything. Bacon ice cream, bacon cake, bacon, I don't know, bacon whatever. Yeah, we can wrap that last jalapeno in bacon.
Sure.
So you don't necessarily want to use thick bacon then, huh?
No, for bacon wrapped jalapenos, you have to use thin bacon.
Well, we'll give this a try and see what happens. And there's a couple of toothpicks right there too. So we can play like Sesame Street. One of these things are not like the other. One of these jalapenos is not the same. Anyway, so there we go. We're gonna put those on the Traeger, and this is the first time we've done this, so we're gonna give that a try and see how it works. First time we did jalapenos was down at your sister's house. We put them on the Traeger on the grill, and we all ate them, and first bite, everybody's mouths were burning up so bad. We couldn't finish them, remember that? Oh my gosh.
I do.
That was horrible. Couldn't get enough cream cheese. Alright. Nice. And he's got chuck roast in there too. We're going to make burnt ends. Nice.
Few minutes later.
So there they are, all cooked up. We're going to do a taste test now. You want to just cut one in half?
Yep.
Okay.
sit at the table.
Okay. All right, taste test.
That smoke around it.
Yeah. Well, that's cool. Pretty good stuff. Not bad. Jalapenos with cream cheese wrapped with sausage.
Italian sausage.
Italian sausage.
Sweet sausage.
It's what?
Italian sweet sausage.
Italian sweet sausage. Huh. Interesting. Yeah, it tastes pretty good. So, pretty good?
Pretty good.
Thumbs up. Yay.
Pretty good.